Hi, it's Carolyn, Trichologist here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. Today we're going to talk about the laser therapy. So first of all, laser is light and it's energy, and it does help to enhance hair loss treatments, but the first thing is diagnosis. So you have to have a proper diagnosis of your hair cycle and understand why the hair is thinning or specifically falling out, and be using specific combination therapy to treat all of the symptoms and causes of the hair loss or hair thinning. Once all of that is in place, if you want to speed it up and help with the cellular correction, you can then add the laser, but the laser on its own is not going to correct any of those problems. So be very, very, very clear on that. We're very also particular about the type of laser we use. It's the spectrum of light and the nanometer. So I've been using the HairBeam from Versace for many, many years now, and the results are very, very consistent, as well as the equipment itself. So that's what I would recommend. And the other thing is with laser, the diodes need to physically be touching the scalp. So there's a lot of different lasers out there that don't even cover the entire head, they're only partial head, and the diodes are too far. So if you've got a distance between the light, which is the diode, and the target size, you're losing energy, so therefore it could just be a waste of time. So this is the Home HairBeam. It has 5 different diodes in there, and you have to actually physically have it on the scalp. Once you have power, you have a little green light to start it, you press the laser button, and then you will get these 2 red lights telling you that it's on. You never look into laser light, so when you're using it yourself, coming back, you can see the red light, you know to move it away from your eyes to your head. With the home laser, the HairBeam, you need to be using it for up to 1 hour per week, so it's got to be in sessions no more than 20 minutes. So you've got the cost of buying one, but then you physically have to use the thing, and you need to do at least 12 sessions within 4 months. So you can't just do it haphazard, you have to have a specific plan. So that can be a little bit difficult for some people. So you also have the option of using a in-clinic laser. So this is our Power Twin 21, so it has 21 laser diodes. Therefore the length of treatment time is reduced. So instead of 1 hour a week broken down into sessions, this is one session of 15 minutes, and you have the energy required to help with your combination therapy hair loss treatments. You do come into the clinic and you can use the laser yourself. We don't physically do it for you, so we show you how to turn it on, and we teach you the speed in which to use it, and how easy to maneuver it through the scalp. We do find from the front of the head to the base of the neck is a very easy motion, and if you can switch between your right hand and your left hand for each side, it just makes it easier as well, and your arms don't get tired while you're doing it. The laser is not heavy, and it's very, very easy to do. So if you want to come in and use the laser, you do 15-minute sessions, and they're $40 each, but you must complete 12 15-minute sessions within 4 months, or it simply won't work. Just one last word on your Home HairBeam. If you do use one of these, you've got to make sure you keep it in its original packaging at all times. We do a buyback system, so once you've finished using your laser, you can offer it back to us, but you will need to keep it in its original box and wrap and what have you, so we can on-sell it for you. So I hope that answers some questions or gives you some options about laser. Thank you so much.